Smoking is injurious to health. Smoking causes cancer. പുകവലി ആരോഗ്യത്തിന് ഹാനികരം. പുകവലി അർബുദത്തിന് കാരണമാകുന്നു.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you an action thriller film movie lover? Then Kill is a must-watch movie. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it, and share the video with everyone. If you have seen this movie, then write your opinion about the movie in the comment box. If you have not seen this movie, the link of the movie is given in the description box. Definitely watch it. Now let's go to the movie. Kill is a 2023 Indian Hindi language action thriller film written and directed by Nikhil Nagesh Bhatt and produced by Dharma Productions and Sikhya Entertainment. The film, which is inspired by a train robbery experienced by Bhatt in 1995, stars Lakshya, Raghav Juyal, Ashish Vidyarthi, Harsh Chhaya, Tanya Manikla and Abhishek Chauhan. Kill premiered at the Toronto International Film Festival on 7 September 2023, where it was first runner-up for the People's Choice Award, Midnight Madness. It was also screened at the Tribeca Film Festival in June 2024. Kill was theatrically released on 5 July 2024 to positive reviews from critics. The film grossed 47.12 crore rupees against a budget of 40 crore rupees. Amrit Rathod, an NSG commando, and his colleague Viresh returned to Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. Amrit has been in a long-term relationship with his girlfriend Tulika Singh, the daughter of a powerful business tycoon, Baldev Singh Thakur. One day, Baldev arranges Tulika's engagement to another man, prompting Amrit and Viresh to travel to Ranchi for the engagement. In Ranchi, Amrit pleads with Tulika to elope with him, but she refuses as she fears the repercussions from Baldev. The next day, Tulika and her family board a superfast express train from Ranchi to New Delhi. Unbeknownst to them, Amrit and Viresh also board the train. During the journey, Amrit seizes an opportunity to propose to Tulika. However, as the train reaches Daltongan station, a group of armed dacoits, led by the cunning Fani Bhushan, boards the train. Their plan is to rob specific coaches and make a swift escape. Waiting for them with their getaway plan is Fani's father Beni Bhushan, a notorious dacoit leader, and other members of their gang. They also have jammers to prevent news of their heist from getting out until they escape. During the heist, Fani learns that Baldev Singh Thakur is also on the train. He attempts to kidnap Baldev and his family, but is attacked by Amrit and Viresh. In the scuffle, Viresh kills Babban Fani's uncle and Beni's brother to save Tulika's mother. Enraged, Fani and Babban's son Ravi abandon the heist to exact revenge, alongside other dacoits. Amrit and Viresh fight off a few bandits until Fani uses a child as a hostage to stop them before using a homemade firearm to shoot Viresh, but misses. Fani captures a wounded Viresh, while Amrit takes Ravi hostage. Amrit searches for Tulika's sister Ahana, who is trapped somewhere in the train. Eventually, the train stops at the railway crossing where Beni and more bandits climb aboard. Having just been informed of Babban's death, Fani plans to use Viresh as bait to capture Amrit, who fights through multiple bandits before being knocked out by the gang's enforcer Siddhi, where Arif, a fellow passenger, is killed while helping Viresh and Amrit. Tulika confronts Fani, who fatally stabs her and throws her off the train, enraging Amrit. He then goes on a killing spree against the bandits. A shocked Beni chastises Fani for killing Tulika, fearing retribution from Baldev. However, Fani sticks to his original plan of kidnapping Baldev's entire family for ransom. As Amrit continues his rampage, the bandits fearing for their lives beg Beni to let them off the train, but Beni convinces them to stay by reminding them that they have already incurred Baldev's wrath, so it is better to go along with the revised plan. To further demoralize the bandits, Amrit hangs the corpses, including Siddhi's father, in a coach. Meanwhile, Baldev, Viresh, Arif's brother Sohail, and other passengers managed to block access to other coaches and alert railway security personnel who were previously unaware of the hijacking due to network jammers. Funny and others attempt to move outside, narrowly escaping being shot. Amrit again encounters Siddhi and engages in a brutal fight. When Siddhi overpowers Amrit and is about to throw him off the train, Arif and Sohail's parents attack Siddhi from behind, bludgeoning his skull with a hammerhead and killing him. Ahana and Viresh are rescued by the police and are reunited with Baldev. But Funny and two other bandits who have boarded the train again eliminate the police and take them hostage, killing a weak and wounded Viresh in the process. While fighting in a darkened coach, Amrit killed Ravi. However, he's deceived by a bandit posing as a passenger, knocked out, and taken captive. As Vani taunts Amrit about the death of Viresh and Beni gets into an argument with him about not killing Baldev, Amrit takes advantage of the chaos and engages the last of the bandits, including Beni, burning his entire head with lighter fluid and a Zippo. Amrit finally faces off against Funny, the sole remaining Dakot. Funny repeatedly stabs him while taunting him about Tulika, but Amrit ultimately gains the upper hand, finishing him off with a hammer and fists. As security personnel and paramedics board the train at Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya railway station in Uttar Pradesh and rescue the passengers, a heavily injured Amrit sits on a bench and hallucinates Tulika sitting beside him. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you and greetings.